I am 9 years old, and today I'll be teaching you how to make green chicken enchiladas. The reason why I picked this recipe because it is one of my favorites and it's also easy to make. The ingredients I'm using are green tomatillos, cilantro, culantro, a white onion, a lime, poblano peppers, garlic, chicken, rotisserie chicken, tortillas, Mexican shredded cheese, and if you want it spicy, jalapenos. I don't like it spicy. To start off, we'll be making the sauce. So first, grab a tomatillo, and you see this like leafy stuff wrapped around it. Peel it off. Now, you place them in a pot of boiling water. And then, put them into the oven and roast them at 450 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes. So while our tomatillos are boiling and our peppers are roasting, you should start by peeling our garlics. Now, you should flip the peppers over when it feel like you gotta get them. So, now it's time to cut the onion. Now we're going to put all of the vegetables in a blender. One of our vegetables is cilantro, and the other one is culantro, which is like a giant version of cilantro. So you probably should grab I'm gonna show like a handful, like this much, and then grab it, put it in the blender. Then you should probably grab this much culantro and also put it in the blender. And now we're gonna grab our tomatillos. Oh yeah, forgot. You also put the garlic, onions, and now we're going to grab our tomatillos and peppers. Now that we've taken the tomatillos out of the pot, you should put them in the blender. Since they're hot, you might want something to grab them with. But see, now we could grab them and just pop them into the blender. Now that the tomatillos are in the blender, you should grab the peppers after they're blistered and put them in a bag. The bag makes it a lot more easier to remove the skin. When your peppers have finally cooled off, you just take off the outer layer and then you put them in the blender. Now, we take the peppers and put them in the blender. And if you want to, if you want spice, add spicy peppers. If you don't want spice, don't add any. To make the tortillas correctly, you need to put them in a hot pan of olive oil. And the reason why you do this is so the tortillas are bendable and won't break instantly if you try to fold them. So first, you grab some cheese and sprinkle it all kind of towards the edge of one of the sides. Then spread it out. Now, add some chicken. And then you roll it. Place it into the pan. Now you pour the sauce. Now finally put the enchiladas in the oven for 40 minutes at 350 degrees. After 40 minutes, when you take it out, it should look like this. And there's only one more step to do. Put it on a plate and eat it.